Welcome! In this video we will look at the piece called Barcarolle in E minor by Xaver Scharwenka. Let me play the beginning for you. So these are the first 10 measures. We start with a little short introduction. 2 measures and then again. So first time I would play even more quiet. Crescendo. And then piano again. And then here starting the phrase, the theme, in measure 3. So here the theme starts. And the left hand very gently with active fingers. So remember, 5th finger in the right hand is the melody tone, very important. And then I always play to the next beginning of the measure. So crescendo and no accent on the on this E and G, because we want to build the crescendo. So and then here before this we're going to C major. This is measure 5. So a little bit later, this second beat. And then we have this theme coming again, okay? So here in measure 7 we go to D major 7. So okay, here. And then right hand I have 5 2 1 3 and then again 5 2. Okay, so for the fingering you can slow down the video and then you can see what I'm using in the left hand. But for example in measure 9 I use 5 2 1 and then 4th finger on F sharp. And then again 5 2 1. And then here 5 2. And then coming back on 5 2 in measure 11. Okay? So let's play one last time the theme from measure 3. Here diminuendo on this dominant B major, sorry, and then coming back, and then when we have this theme coming again in measure 11 for the now 3rd time, so to speak, or 2nd time. So here I would play even pianissimo. Maybe I have an electric piano, so I don't have the left pedal, but a nice sound effect would be to use here in measure 11 left pedal, for example. This is up to you. So here it's more mysterious to change a little bit this character, because this theme comes again a lot of times. Okay, so and then here we have a little bit different in measure 16. Okay, so here I would show this crescendo even more. So this is our climax, and then coming back to this diminuendo. So now in measure 19 we have this different part, and here I would show this the left hand, okay? So crescendo and diminuendo, and then second time, first time we had in D major 7, and now one tone higher, so now it's E7. So again, crescendo, and then crescendo again, and then here when we enter this A minor in measure 23 a little bit later, and now focus on the melody is in the 5th finger of the upper voice. So and then we go back to our main theme, but now in G major. Okay, so let's practice this one again a little bit slower from measure 19. Okay, so this was another part. So now in measure 27 we have this theme back again, but now in major. Okay, so not E minor as in the beginning, but now in major, so it's more happy. And then going back to A minor, sorry. Okay, so first a short glimpse of happiness, and here I would still phrase the same way as in the beginning in minor. So crescendo to here, and then diminuendo, and then now again breathing, and in minor a little bit later. Here we have the next part, again in G major. So here what we had in measure 27, G major, now we have in this position. And of course melody is in the right hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And left hand has just this accompaniment. Okay, so let's start again from measure 35 with upbeat. And then again minor, A minor. Crescendo. And then suddenly piano and diminuendo. Back in our main theme again in E minor, sorry. And now we have different ending, okay? So here we have, this is measure 50. unisono 1, 2, 3, 1. Before moving to E major. So now we are in measure 55, piano, and again in major. Okay, so we are constantly changing between minor and major. Now we are in E major. Okay, so here the rhythm is more or less always the same. So it's crescendo, piano, and diminuendo, and again, and now in C sharp minor, crescendo, piano, and now forte. Okay, so let's do this section again from measure 63 with upbeat, so this chord section. Okay, so we have here, and then remember to always switch between forte and piano, so it's forte and then piano, and always upbeat, not so loud as the downbeat, so it's accent on sforzato on 1, so again. And then in 71 we have a different register, so we switch to higher voice and pianissimo. So here maybe also left pedal, this is up to you, experiment with this. Very soft, very gently this. And then again, starting a new phrase. And then 75, this time C sharp minor. Sorry, and then crescendo. So here left hand has to be very soft and very gently, because the melody is already very high. Okay, so to not disturb the melody. And then we have this unisono passage in measure 79, starting with an upbeat. So here F sharp minor, and then left hand and right hand play the same. So here we can show this waves. Okay, so when we go up, we make a crescendo, and then when we go down, we make a diminuendo. Okay, so let's try this from measure 79 with upbeat. And then again, maybe second time more or less. This is up to you. Okay, how you want to do this. Okay, let's try again. Back in our main theme, so this theme still in major. Okay, after this section. So now measure 87. So here, you know, I have an electric piano, so I have to be very careful with pedal. Probably for me it's I push down the pedal and then there's no difference whether I push it just a little bit or full down. So on your acoustic piano you can a little bit more experiment with this. Okay, so here I have to change constantly because left hand is playing in this quite low register. Okay, and then for if I want to show still the melody, I probably change the pedal with every time when right hand is changing the chord. So change, 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 and so on. Okay, but you can also experiment with pushing not so deep the pedal, and then maybe having the pedal for maybe one measure, or one measure is maybe too much, but always when the harmony is changing. Okay, let's try this again. So here, and here still left hand very gently. So I use 5, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. Here 3 on A sharp. And then here again 5, 2. Okay, let's try this. And here these are always 2 measures, 1 phrase. Okay, so we start here, crescendo, this is our climax, and then going down we make again a diminuendo. Okay, and then second time the same. And then C sharp minor, the relative to E major, so here I have different fingering, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and then 4. Okay, let's try this. Okay, and then here in this last section, this last phrase, 93. Crescendo and then diminuendo, and here I have, so this is a bit complicated, from measure 93, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5, and then here. So here you have to be very flexible with your wrist, and then the theme comes back. So this theme, but one whole step higher. So now in F sharp minor. Okay. And then here left hand. I use 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, and then on A first finger. Okay, let's try this again. Measure 95. And then pianissimo, because we are going to the dominant key, B major 7. Here we have diminished chord. Actually, when you think of the B still, then we have dominant because we want to go back to E minor. Okay, so let's try this from measure 103. Okay, and here I would do a little ritenuto, so slowing down even if it's not written in the score, because we go back to our main theme in original key in E minor in measure 107. So let's try one more time from 103. Okay, and then we are back in E minor. Okay, so now this part we can skip this because we already discussed this, and let's jump to measure 115. Again, we know this part also already. But here we are modulating differently, okay? So first time we had this passage, but then we went back to G major, okay? But now we have this part in E major, okay? So we stay in different keys. So 122, this measure is different. And then here we have to slow down a little bit because we want to show this part still staying in E major, okay? So let me try one more time from measure 121. And also breathing and then starting new phrase from this measure 123. And then again, it's like breathing. Always, not always, but most of the time the phrases are 4 measures, okay? So here we want to show again different key, okay? So first time E major, now again F sharp minor, okay? Now one step higher, and here I use 5, 2, 1, and then 4. I jump to finger 4. Okay, this is comfortable for me. Here this part we already know, we had this part in G major. Now again the same part, just different, the same material, just a different key. Now E major, this is measure 131 with upbeat. And then F sharp minor, okay, one more time. And still melody always in the right hand. This is just accompaniment, okay? So more quiet left hand and right hand has the melody. One more time, measure 131 with upbeat. Here I would also make a little, not ritenuto, but a little bit later this chord, okay, this diminished chord. Let me play one more time from measure 137, okay, so from this F sharp minor part. And then here again, surprise going to minor, B minor. So here, from this part, the outer voices are very important. Okay, so this interval showing these middle voices are should be played very softly, very gently, and just showing this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the melody. Let me try one more time from measure 139. And then here maybe I would slow down, so maybe not so too much, this was too much, but we are then one more time showing this main theme. Okay, coming back to this main theme. Okay, one more time from here, and then I use 4, 3, 2, 5, and then here 5 and 1. But still showing difference between upper voice and left hand. And now in measure 145 we have final time, this theme that we had a couple of times. But here it's a little bit different. Measure 152. The rest is the same. So what came before was the same, and now 152. Right hand showing this E minor chord, and then we have this part, but also in different keys. So we had this. Remember this part? Now we are starting on E minor. Okay. And I would also start very quiet, so piano, so building the tension, okay? So piano and crescendo. And then again pianissimo even. So this is our final part. So here we have, let's try one more time from measure 153, a little bit slower. So and here in pianissimo, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here maybe also slowing down just a little bit. Okay, it's actually not written in the score. So, and here I use 5, 2, 4, 2 in the left hand and 1, 3 in right hand. Measure 159, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then very gently, maybe a little diminuendo also and ritenuto. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then fermata on the last note. Okay, so this was my tutorial / lesson on a piece called Barcarolle, Op.14 in E minor by Xaver Scharwenka. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.